accidents, according to the traffic wing of the Sierra Leone police, are very common at the Bere Junction, Makeni Highway. And the recent one to have occurred is the one which involved the motorcade of the First Lady of the Republic of Sierra Leone and a Mercedes-Benz with registration number ARQ 303. We are at the scene to have first-hand information as to what led to these accidents. The accident occurred at Rugbalan village between Lonsar and Bere Junction. However, none of the locals could not speak to AYV as witness, as timidness and panic was sensed on their faces owing to the nature of the accident. We proceeded to the St. John of God Catholic Hospital in Lonsar to ascertain whether victims of that accident were taken to this facility. Dr. Kuksinsise, medical officer, confirmed.
Yesterday at around 7 p.m. we received a couple of patients, about 7 of them. Most of them had head injury and they were in a very critical condition. And upon receiving the patients at the facility, we were able to mobilize other colleagues to join the team to see how we could resuscitate them and try to get them ready, because most of them they requested that they want to take them to emergency.
He went on to say that the 8 victims who were part of the convoy have been evacuated to Freetown for better medical services, while the remaining 2, including the truck driver and a student at FBC, are still at their facility.
Yesterday, at the time when the 8 of them were brought in at 7, and then later at 11, we received another 2 patients who were also involved in the same accident. So all 8 patients that were brought in at an early time of around 7, they were all evacuated to emergency hospital. It's only the 2, the passenger truck that they said interrupted the convoy that actually they brought in later during the...
Lonsar Police Division did not comment on this incident as the police media officer was not around. What was the general condition of patients at the time they were temporarily admitted in Lonsar? Dr. Sise again.
It was really critical. We were really in critical state because it was a severe head injury. Most of them developed skin almost from the jaw, the head. And it was really a kind of difficult state for them. We were in a really difficult state.
Although the truck driver is responding to treatment, a police officer is seated next to him as a way of being in police net. Cause of this accident has not been verified yet, but some said that it was due to brake failure. Abba Sise, AYV News, Lonsar, Putloko District.